HYDROPOOL. Planet benefit. Patented PCT mission. Please feel free to download the integral text in PDF format by clicking here. Managed by Glycan Industries Corp. Ltd UK. Glycan Space XR, Heliotor LLC USA. Glycan Industries LLC USA. Glycan Space XR Ltd UK. Glycan Holding AG, X Neutral Metal SA, Switzerland. Problematic worldwide and solutions. As mentioned in the Terminator project, the civil and industrial activities are producing a great deal of pollution in our eco-biosystem. The Terminator machines will be utilized for the remediation of hazardous gaseous molecules. These molecules are highly toxic for the mammalian species and for the human beings. The HYDROPOOL procedure is applied to the water treatment, industrial and municipal sludge and animal manures in general. The procedure is directly complementary to Terminator. Civil and industrial sludge contain an important rate of heavy and toxic metals and represent a vector of contamination at short, medium, and long term. The importance of the resulting pollution will depend on the adopted treatment, storage as well as incineration. Indeed, human agricultural food activities, but also activities of animal breeders, mainly porcine breeders, are highly polluting and are very contaminating the soils and the underground sheet of water. Water sources, as well as the underground sheets of waters, are contaminated by nitrites and nitrates, RANXOI. Municipal depuration stations are generally concentrating organic and mineral wastes, included human or animal drugs, hormones and antibiotics, dangerous wastes, antibiotic resistance consequence with important human deaths by year. The wastes are concentrated and dried in the air before being stored in underground sites or aerial sites. In both cases, the risks at medium term are important because acid rains are dissolving the heavy and toxic metals and will contaminate the underground sheets of water. More and more cities have adopted therefore a solution consisting in incinerating depuration sludge. However, this method is also dangerous, since it will produce dioxins, furans as well as toxic and heavy metals in the air. Therefore, this way of classical incineration is producing the same disadvantages and toxic byproducts as MSW, municipal solid wastes, incinerators, which must be corrected by the Terminator process. In certain countries, the legislation prohibits the incineration as well as the dissemination of the sludge on the agricultural lands because the heavy and toxic metals are captured and assimilated by the plants who are food for human beings and or animals. The HYDROPOOL procedure allows to prevent these contaminations and will directly adjust the pollution of our environment. HYDROPOOL is based on a chemical and physical non-polluting separation which allows to eliminate heavy and toxic metals in the industrial and depuration sludge and also within animal liquid manures. In the terminal phase, the procedure allows to collect heavy and toxic metals on one side, and on the other side, it enables to recover organic matters which are free of toxicity and can without any danger be disseminated on the organic soils and be used as fertilizers. Thus the neutralization of the industrial sludge is ensured. The other residual parts, toxic and heavy metals, can be treated by a plasma process very similar to Terminator, simplified machine, and are described in detail in the HYDROPOOL patents. In numerous depollution situations, the two procedures, Terminator and HYDROPOOL, will be coupled. In addition, it has been proved that sludge from depuration that are incinerated will produce dioxins, furans, and PCBs. We are living with a functional entropy which has been installed in our vital exploitation system and which we have to adjust. Our allegations can be proven by the existence of thousands of civil, military, and industrial incinerators, as well as thousands of civil, industrial, and military stockpiles where these toxic and hazardous wastes are stored. We know that the totality of our water reserve is in danger, even in the short term, and it is imperative to apply measures to prevent eco-biological accidents of high magnitude instead of continuing a long-term pollution which will within 30 to 50 years invariably lead to an important decrease of the spermatogenesis, mainly in the industrialized countries. The missions of HYDROPOOL and Terminator are highly justified, and it is most important to develop the two projects as soon as possible. The two procedures, in addition, will not destroy any social, economical, or industrial tissue. On the contrary, the development of these procedures will be a powerful vector and tool for the prevention of future pollution, but also for the correction and elimination of the present pollution. The industrialized countries must now stop pollution before it is too late and adjust their water purifying network. It is also imperative to set up systems and procedures in the developing countries before they make the same errors as the industrialized countries, i.e. assist the developing countries to create new structures and help them in the development of the preventive decontamination and depollution. This way, they will be able to maintain their patrimony and create models and profitable demonstrations on a planetary level. As for Terminator, there will also be mobile HYDROPOOL installations in addition to fixed decontamination installations. The patented HYDROPOOL process eliminates heavy metals and toxins and is used to treat industrial and urban sludge and animal litter. The advantages are obvious. Treated sludge can then be incinerated in standard systems which can be linked to plasma systems such as Terminator in order to avoid any emissions of dangerous molecules such as dioxins, PCBs, or furans. Sludge can also be spread on agricultural land. Contact us at Glycan Industries LLC at glycangroup.com and Michael Glycan SpaceXR at glycangroup.com.